Hello everyone, today let us discuss about composition of nucleic acid. First let us come to introduction. Nucleic acids are the principal genetic materials of all living organisms. They are one of the biomacromolecules containing carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and phosphorus. The nucleic acid was first isolated in 1868 by Frederick Misser from the nuclei of pus cell present on hospital bandages and termed it to be nuclein, since it was found in the nucleus. It was later discovered that prokaryotic cells which do not have a nucleus also contain nucleic acids. He showed that nuclein contained phosphorus, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen and hydrogen. In 1889, Altman coined the term nucleic acid because of its acidic nature, and he showed that it exists only in chromosome. He developed general methods for the isolation of nucleic acids from many sources, and existence of nucleic acid into two types such as DNA and RNA was soon established. In 1919, Povus Levin identified the components of nucleic acid as the bases, the sugar and the phosphate. He showed that the components of DNA were linked in the order of phosphate, sugar and base. He called each of these units a nucleotide and suggested that DNA molecule consisted of a string of nucleotide units linked together through the phosphate groups, which are the backbone of the nucleic acid. Deciphering of structure of DNA by Watson and Crick in 1953 was a turning point for advancement of molecular biology and genetics. Now let us come to composition of nucleic acid. The nucleic acid, DNA and RNA are polymers composed of nitrogenous bases, sugars and phosphoric acid. The link between the polymer unit is the phosphate diester bond. When the phosphate diester bond is hydrolyzed, the monomeric units of nucleic acid are recovered. These monomeric units are called nucleotide and consist of a nitrogenous base, a sugar and a phosphate. Now let us come to nitrogenous bases. The nitrogenous bases found in nucleotides are aromatic heterocyclic compounds. They are the derivatives of two parent compounds, that is purines and pyrimidines. Now let us come to purines. Purine is a two-fused ring system that consists of one 6-membered ring fused to a 5-member imidazole ring. The ring atoms are numbered in anticlockwise direction. There are two derivatives of purines, namely adenine and guanine, which are found in nucleic acids. Adenine has an amino group at the carbon number 6 atom of the 6-membered ring. Guanine has an amino group at carbon number 2 atom of the 6-membered ring and a keto group in place of amino group of adenine, and has lost a double bond to accommodate the ketone group. There are some other naturally occurring purine derivatives. Some of them are hypoxanthine, xanthine, uric acid, N6-methyladenine, N-subyl-methylguanine, etc. Hypoxanthine and xanthine are found only rarely as constituents of nucleic acid. Uric acid, the most oxidized state of purine derivative, is never found in nucleic acid. The N-subyl-methylguanine and N6-methyladenine are the most rarely found in RNA. Some methylated purine bases are also found in plants. These include alkaloids like the ophyllene, which is 1,3-dimethylxanthine, caffeine, which is 1,3,5-trimethylxanthine, and theobromine, which is 3,7-dimethylxanthine. Now let us come to pyrimidines. The pyrimidine bases are derived from 6-membered heterocyclic aromatic ring containing 2 nitrogen atoms. In this case, the ring atoms are numbered in the clockwise direction. There are 3 derivatives of pyrimidines found in nucleic acids. They are cytosine, uracil and thymine. Cytosine has a ketone group between its 2 nitrogen atoms, an amino group at the carbon number 4, and has lost a double bond to accommodate the ketone group. Now let us come to uracil. Uracil is a modified form of cytosine in which carbon number 4 of cytosine forms a ketone group and a double bond in the ring is lost to accommodate the new ketone. Now thymine. Thymine is derived from uracil with a methyl group attached at position 5 carbon atom. Some unusual bases of pyrimidine are 5-methylcytosine, pseudouracil. These unusual bases help in the recognition of specific enzymes. Now let us come to the properties of nitrogenous bases. The nitrogenous bases have highly conjugated double bond system within the ring structures. For this reason, nucleic acid have a very strong absorption maximum at about 260 nanometer, which renders application for nucleic acid quantitation. The aromaticity of the pyrimidine and purine ring system and the electron-rich nature of their hydroxyl and amino groups make them with the capacity to undergo ketoenol tautomerism. The purines and pyrimidines can exist as tautomeric pairs. The keto form is known as lactam, whereas the enol form is known as lactim. At physiological pH, the lactam or keto forms are predominantly present, and this property makes it possible for the bases to form intermolecular hydrogen bonds. Now let us come to pentose sugar. The type of sugar found in nucleic acids is pentose sugar. A pentose sugar is a monosaccharide with 5 carbon atoms having a functional group aldehyde or ketone group. According to their functional groups, they are organized into 2 groups, namely aldopentoses and ketopentoses. There are 2 kinds of pentose sugar found in nucleic acids, namely D-ribose and 2-deoxy-D-ribose. RNA contains pentose D-ribose, while 2-deoxy-D-ribose is found in DNA. The prefix 2-deoxy means an oxygen atom is absent at position 2 carbon atom of the pentose sugar. The aldehyde group in this sugar reacts with hydroxyl group of position 4 carbon atom to form intramolecular hemiacetals. The resulting ring structure is related to furan and is termed a furanose. They have been distinguished as D-ribofuranose and 2-deoxy-D-ribofuranose. When they are parts of nucleotides, their atoms are numbered as 1', 2', 3', and so on to distinguish them from the ring atoms of nitrogenous bases. In solution, such sugars occur in interconvertible 2-alpha and beta anomers. The beta anomers are found in nucleic acids. An important property of the pentoses is their capacity to form esters with phosphoric acid. The hydroxyl groups of the pentoses, especially those at carbon number 3 and carbon number 5, are involved in forming 3'5' phosphodiester bonds between adjacent nucleotides of the nucleic acids. Now let us come to the phosphate. The phosphate residues in nucleic acid are of the type derived from phosphoric acid. The molecular formula of phosphoric acid is H3PO4. It is a triprotic acid, and in organic chemistry, a phosphate or inorganic phosphate is denoted as ester of phosphoric acid. However, in a cell, phosphoric acid occurs in the form of phosphate group due to the dissociation of 3 protons, and it is denoted as inorganic phosphate. The phosphate group can be attached either at the 5' position or 3' position of the pentose sugar. Through 3' to 5' phosphodiester bond, they link the adjacent nucleotides in nucleic acids. The subsequent phosphate group can be attached in mononucleotides to the preceding ones by acid anhydride bonds. In nucleoside diphosphates and triphosphates, the bond between phosphate residues are energy-rich anhydride bonds. In the cell, phosphate group is part of several coenzymes such as NAD, NADP, FMN, pyridoxal phosphate, etc. and also for phospholipid as well. Now let us come to nucleosides. Nucleosides are compounds formed when a base is linked to a sugar via glycosidic bond. If the sugar is ribose, the compound is ribonucleoside. And if the sugar is deoxyribose, the compound is deoxyribonucleoside. For nucleosides, the bond is N-glycosidic bond because it connects the anomeric carbon atom number 1 of sugar to position number 1 nitrogen atom of pyrimidine or to position number 9 nitrogen atom of a purine. The conformation of N-glycosidic bond is beta in nucleosides. Nucleosides are named by adding the suffix -dine to the root name of a pyrimidine or -ocene to the root name of purine. In this manner, nucleosides are named as adenosine, guanosine, cytidine, thymidine, and uridine. If the sugar is ribose and deoxyadenosine, deoxyguanosine, deoxycytidine, deoxythymidine, deoxyuridine. If the sugar is deoxyribose. Nucleoside exists in either of two conformations designated as cis and trans. Pyrimidine nucleoside favors either trans conformation, but purine nucleoside favors either cis or trans conformation. Nucleosides are much more water soluble than the free bases because of the hydrophilicity of the sugar moiety. Mainly nucleosides serve as component of nucleotides. In exception, adenosine functions as an autocoid or local hormone. Now let us come to nucleotides. Nucleotides are formed when phosphoric acid is esterified to a sugar hydroxyl group of a nucleoside. Ribose sugar has 3 hydroxyl groups at carbon number 2, carbon number 3 and carbon number 5, whereas deoxyribose has 2 hydroxyl groups at carbon number 3 and carbon number 5. The phosphate group can be esterified either at the 5' position or the 3' position of the pentose sugar, and accordingly the mononucleotides formed are designated as 5' or 3' nucleoside monophosphates respectively. However, attachment at the 5' position is far more common and therefore 5' is usually omitted in the abbreviation. Thus, AMP means adenosine 5' monophosphate, CMP means cytidine 5' monophosphate, and so on. However, for adenosine 3' monophosphate or cytidine 3' monophosphate, the abbreviation 3' AMP or 3' CMP respectively are used. A mononucleotide is also called nucleoside monophosphate. Nucleotides have acidic properties because of the presence of phosphate groups, and they are referred by names like adenylic acid, guanylic acid, etc. The names of 5 major nucleotides of nucleic acids are adenosine monophosphate or adenylic acid, guanosine monophosphate or guanylic acid, cytidine monophosphate or cytidylic acid, etc. When the sugar is deoxyribose in place of ribose, their names are deoxyadenosine monophosphate or deoxyadenylic acid, deoxyguanosine monophosphate or deoxyguanylic acid, deoxycytidine monophosphate or deoxycytidylic acid, etc. Additional phosphate groups can be linked to the phosphoryl group of a nucleotide through the formation of phosphoric anhydride linkages. Addition of second phosphate group to AMP creates adenosine 5' diphosphate or ADP, and addition of a third phosphate to ADP creates ATP. The respective phosphate groups are designated by the Greek letters alpha, beta, and gamma, starting with the alpha phosphate as the one linked directly to the pentose sugar. The 4 nucleoside triphosphates, that is NTPs, and 4 deoxynucleoside triphosphates, that is DNTPs, are the substrates for the synthesis of nucleic acids. The nucleoside monophosphates, in which the phosphoric acid is esterified to either of the 3' or 5' hydroxyl groups, are found in all cells. In mononucleotide formation of 2 ester linkages with 1 phosphate result in cyclic structure. Example, cyclic AMP or CAMP and cyclic GMP or CGMP. They act as secondary messenger, which in turn act as important regulators of cellular metabolism. Nucleoside 5' triphosphates are indispensable agents because they possess high energy which is required to do biological works. ATP has been termed as the energy currency of the cell. GTP is the major energy source for protein synthesis. CTP is an essential metabolite in phospholipid synthesis, and UTP forms activated intermediates with glucose in the biosynthesis of glycogen. The adenosine nucleotide is structural part of several coenzymes. Example, NAD, FAD, coenzyme A, etc. Now let us come to conclusion. The compounds of a nucleotides are a pentose sugar, phosphate and a nitrogenous base. The pentose sugars are ribose and deoxyribose. The bases are adenine and guanine, which are purines, and cytosine, thymine and uracil, which belongs to pyrimidines. Adenosine, guanosine and uridine, etc. denote the nucleosides of ribose with adenine, guanine and uracil respectively. Prefixing of this trivial name by deoxy denotes the corresponding nucleosides of deoxyribose. Nucleotides occur in 3 forms such as adenosine monophosphate or adenylic acid, adenosine diphosphate and adenosine triphosphate, etc., which are those of ribose. They are prefixed with deoxy to denote the nucleotides of deoxyribose. Their monophosphate forms are the monomeric units of nucleic acids. ATP functions as energy currency of cell. Other nucleotides such as FMN, NAD, NADP, etc. exhibit coenzyme function.